When plus am or is or are plus subject plus verb-ing is used to ask the exact time in the future someone is going to do something. Examples: when am I meeting you again? When are you coming to visit me? When are you changing your baby's diapers? When is she calling me? I've been waiting for hours. When is he buying a ticket back home? When are they throwing you a victory party for passing the licensure exam? When are we trying the new restaurant in town? When is Mr. Park buying the car he promised to buy? When is Mrs. Park purchasing a red car? When are you graduating? You've been in school for so long now.